I don't know why I keep doing that now. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm RJ, and today I'm taking a look at the the premium Bandai Tamashii Nations Sailor Moon 30th Anniversary Proplica Moonstick in the Brilliant Color Edition. That's a whole lot of words. I'm gonna shorten that title. I will say, sadly, this big sticker's here. So we can't get a full look at the box, but here we have the 30th Anniversary Sailor Moon logo. We've got some really pretty flourishes that are like holographic. It's a shiny box, so you like see my ring light. We have a picture of the Moonstick, and it says Proplica Moonstick Brilliant Color Edition with the same holographic. We see Toei Animation, Tamashii Nations, Bandai, and what's that saying? Tamashii Nations quality, yeah. It is just, it's so pretty. Like the side of the box, and then the back with a whole bunch of like the product images and everything that it comes with. So I'm excited to get into this. There's just a bunch of the Japanese information down here, and then on the bottom it says, you know, like warning, caution, blah 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 blah, 15 ages plus. I paid $105 for this at Box Lunch. This is the only time I've seen like Proplica not secondhand in stores, and I will say I have already popped this bad boy open, and on the top here it says, once again, Proplica Sailor Moon, Moonstick Brilliant Color Edition. I've already got the tape, so we're just gonna pop right into this. And it was mostly just so that way I didn't look like an idiot. So, yeah. So it comes in a plastic tray with, and just, you see everything. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. I'm in love. So, popping out the Moonstick itself here. It is gold on the top with some little flourishes and the 3 lights here in the center behind some clear plastic. It's got a single button that is a star. The handle is pink and it's got a gold bottom here. On the back, this back panel just pops off, and this is how you access the batteries and where you would pull the tab for the batteries, because it does come with batteries. I already pulled the tab, so we can skip that. We also have the legendary silver crystal, and this part just pops out as well, so you can do what you will with that information. Here we have a stand that looks like the rest of the legendary silver crystal, and this is actually why this pops out. So you can display it like this. It looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Stunning, amazing, gorgeous. Then, of course, we do have the stand that it does include. This just kind of pops together pretty easy. Just like that. I'm just gonna set this aside for now. And we're gonna turn this bad boy on. So, back here, you can see a star and a moon. Then it makes noises. Okay. Then if we flip it over to the moon, we get the same intro. we do get her introduction. If we look back here, there are these two little pink buttons. Press those, and then this part pops out. So you can put in the legendary silver crystal. And let me turn my ring light off. It lights up. So with this put in now, we should get a different... Okay, we get the attack as the queen instead. Flipping it back over to the star. We get the attack without any of the dialogue. And we get the same thing, where the long press. So, yeah. This is, like, actually incredible. I have no idea where I'm going to display this, but just looking at it... Let me turn my ring light back on. That was bright. This is just absolutely beautiful. I'm in love. I am in love. And I'm super happy to have my very first Sailor Moon roleplay toy. Because I don't have any. I don't even have any 90s ones. Mostly just because I don't really care for the 90s anime. And I wish they would do crystal ones or manga accurate ones. Specifically over First Brooch. That always bothered me. That we don't have a manga accurate First Brooch toy. But this is beautiful. And I'm super, super happy to have this in my collection. So, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.